to another video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can we install Miui gallery application on any custom ROM which is based on AOSP. So now let's get started, and this video gonna be very special for some people who are eagerly waiting for that custom build for AOSP ROM. So this is a port for custom ROMs. So now let's get started and let me show you. So here is the Miui gallery application. You guys already know the logo, so let me open it, and you guys can see the albums, and you guys can change the list view like this, and everything working pretty much fine here. And let me show you guys. You guys can edit everything whatever you want and crop beautiful. And you guys can crop in any size whatever you want. And then we have some filters, and all filters working. Let me show you. So you guys can see the color changes. So this also working, and you guys can adjust exposure, brightness, saturation. So everything is just working here, no issues on that. And we have stickers. You guys can add whatever you want, and actually we have all the features of Miui gallery application, so you guys can easily use that features, frame, text, whatever you want, everything we have. You guys can add any feature. And so that's the gallery application. And now let's talk about how can we install. So first of all, download the Miui gallery application from the link given in description. And the important thing is that your device must be rooted. If your device is not rooted, then you can't use that feature. So open Magisk Manager and go to modules, and you guys can see here already I have installed Miui gallery. So install from storage and select your file where we have stored. So you guys can see here the file, select the file and let it be flashed, then reboot system. And you guys already know how to flash a magisk module. So that's the video, guys. Hope you guys like the video, and if you guys really like my video, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the further update. So thank you for watching.